In this video, I will give you some tips and techniques for proper breathing, which will enhance your focus, reduce stress, and will make your exercising more safer and enjoyable. My name is Misha. Moving along in life, retired university professor and professional musician. And for more than 30 years, I've dedicated myself to improving my health and following the best practices for a better future. Full disclosure, I hold a doctoral degree in education, but I'm not a physician. By focusing on your breathing, you can maximize efficiency and maintain proper energy level. This plays a crucial role while you exercise, and in everyday life for that matter. Often, older adults have developed bad habits, such as taking short breaths, or worse, smoking. And since breathing helps deliver oxygen to the muscles and brain, good breathing will improve endurance and prevent dizziness. When oxygen supply is insufficient, this increases the strain on the heart, which creates a higher risk of injuries. Shallow breathing can lead to spikes in blood pressure, which is also risky for older adults, whereas proper breathing will affect the ability to regulate blood pressure. Techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing, hope I got that right, where one breathes into the belly rather than the chest, are much more efficient getting the air into the lungs. Let me explain. As a musician, a wind musician, I was lucky to have very good teachers. All of them insisted that I use diaphragmatic breathing because of the control that you have, meaning that when you use your diaphragm, which are these pretty strong muscles, better than the ones that the chest have, which are held very thinly here, you take those diaphragm muscles and you pull the air into your lungs. So basically you're using your diaphragm to, just like a syringe, for example. When you take a syringe and you use the stopper to suck the liquid into the syringe. This does the same with your air. The diaphragm is like the stopper, which is pulling air into your lungs. So this is a much better and proper way to breathe, and it really creates the best practice for proper breathing. So by practicing diaphragmatic breathing, which means you'll be thinking about your breathing, this is called mindful breathing, which reduces the internal pressure on the body. These simple adjustments will make your exercising much safer and enjoyable. When you engage in mindful breathing, this will encourage you to be more present during your activities. No matter what type of training that you do, whether it's yoga, strength training, etc., proper breathing will definitely improve overall performance and reduce anxiety. By making conscious breathing a habit, older adults will be able to exercise with much greater ease and confidence. Mindful breathing also encourages us to stay in the moment, which is crucial when we're exercising or even walking down the street. If you don't see that stone or the curb, you may fall and cause yourself injury. I would encourage you to practice mindful breathing as much as you can. Now I will give you 6 practical tips where you can incorporate mindful breathing. Of course, you should incorporate mindful breathing throughout the day at all times, especially during exercising. Number 1, warm up and cool down. As you know, warm-ups are essential in order to slightly bring up your heart rate, warm up your muscles. You can do light stretches. If you're interested also, you can look at my video, How to Jumpstart Your Day, where I give morning exercises in order to start your day. And cool downs are also essential to bring down your heart rate. Muscle stretches will also be helpful in cool down. Number 2, start slowly and progress gradually. Start with low-intensity activities, such as walking or gentle stretching, light resistance exercises. This is where resistance bands are great, because if you use them looser, it's easier. And if you tighten them up, the resistance gets stronger. So start slowly and progress gradually. Number 3, Listen to your body. This is important. Pay attention how your body feels during and after exercising. If you experience any pain or discomfort, modify your exercise or take a break day. It's essential to distinguish between muscle tiredness or pain. The old adage that says no pain, no gain is definitely not our way of thinking. If you feel pain, you must stop immediately and analyze what kind of pain it is. Because if you injure yourself, it could take a long time to recover, and sometimes you'll get discouraged. Number 4, stay consistent. Try to create a viable exercise schedule. Consistency is much more important than intensity. It's better that you do, let's say, 10 minutes a day on a regular basis than trying to do, let's say, 1 hour, and then the next day you're a little bit tired and I'll skip a day, and then all of a sudden you're skipping 2 days and you're skipping a week, and then finally you're not exercising anymore, which would be a shame. Try to be consistent in your schedule. You will definitely benefit from that. Number 5, set realistic goals. Establish clear, achievable goals for yourself. By doing so, you'll stay motivated. So this can be as simple as a number of steps you want to do during the day, or improving your flexibility a little bit every day. But don't forget that small wins build confidence and will keep you moving forward. Finally, number 6, incorporate breathing breaks during the day. Even if you can't do a full exercise day, just going to work in your car or walking, or you can sit down in a park, anywhere you are, just stop a little bit for a few moments, concentrate on doing your mindful breathing. This will help you to relax. Try to do this several times a day, and eventually it will become just pure habit and will help you stay more relaxed during the day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give us that old thumbs up and leave some comments down below. Also subscribe. This helps us grow in the algorithm. I'm sure most of you heard that phrase before. It will encourage us to continue. And on that, have a great day and enjoy your life to the fullest.